Do you ever find yourself staring at a blank screen and thinking, where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got your back. Welcome to another episode of Cooking Websites, where I share the web design tools I use all the time to build websites. And in this episode, I will show you the best productivity tools that help me with every single project. First up, let's talk about Goblin Tools. And no, it's not something you have to find on Hogwarts Legacy, but then you can't find it, so you Google, and then you get frustrated. Just me? Okay, it's actually the perfect tool for the days when all you want to do is play games, so you're procrastinating and don't know where to start. So you just type in what you need to do in Goblin Tools. For example, design a layout for an art gallery website. Click enter and then click on this little wand icon right here. Get reminded again that you have to wait to play your games. And Goblin Tools just split it into smaller tasks. So now instead of feeling overwhelmed, you know how to get started. You don't have to use all of these, but I find them really nice to really just get the foot in and just start working. Once Goblin Tools has helped you plan out your project and you've done the fun part, which in my opinion is designing the actual layout, it's time to map out your website. This is where OctopusDo Dough comes in. It's a tool for your website's architecture. It's so easy and intuitive that even my cats could use it, but they're probably just sleeping. With OctopusDo Dough, you can lay out your sitemap visually, and it will always help you organize your pages. So you can start with an AI prompt. Okay, I prepared one for us right here. So a sitemap for an art gallery website. The website is called Artisan Hub. And we write down that there's going to be a homepage, what is going to be on that homepage, that there's also going to be a blog and an about us page. So as always, you can take advantage of their AI. Let's write that prompt. No, thank you. And generate. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's, again, so easy to overview, and especially if you have to show that to a client. But let's quickly just browse through this. Here's the homepage. So header, the gallery that we asked for, posts, featured artist, contact us in a footer. Perfect. Then these are the second tier sites, which is about us, artist, blog. One really good thing about this is that we didn't really even ask for third tier pages, but it made them anyway. So for a blog, so there are posts, a page for each artist, and cookies and a 404 page, which is crucial. So obviously you can adjust everything. For example, you don't need a disclaimer page. Bloop. Take it out. Privacy policy, sitemap. Take out whatever you need. You can adjust these sections as well, add blocks, change their structure here. And now whenever a client asks how the site is going to look, you don't have to dig through your sketches or notes or, God forbid, your memory. You can just show this and everything will be super clear. And finally, let's talk about Rectangle. This app is a literal lifesaver when I'm moving designs from Figma to WordPress on a single screen. It's like having a virtual second monitor where I can't go to my other monitor because there's a cat on my lap, which happens quite a lot. So Rectangle lets you easily snap your windows to different parts of the screen, or you can use the control here at the top and left half. So now you can have your design on one side and your WordPress site on the other side. So now instead of all of that Alt or Control tabbing that I would be doing, I can focus on building a beautiful website and have a little purring assistant without feeling guilty. So there you have it. Goblin Tools, OctopusDo Dough, and Rectangle. 3 tools to get rid of that creative chaos most of us have in our heads and on our computers. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to try these tools yourself. Subscribe to our channel to not miss the next episode of Cooking Websites, and I'll see you there. Bye.